Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie. I'm a full-time trader, mentor in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin and the SPX. Remember, not financial advice, just the way that I see the market. Now is the perfect time to invest in yourself. I know the market is scary and your portfolio may look not so great, but it is the perfect time to dive in and learn a solid system if you are struggling. If you are not struggling, it's definitely an extra tool in the toolbox. I dove deep during a bear market, and it was the best decision I ever made for my trading success. Because of that decision, I can now trade in any market condition. So consider investing in yourself, and you will know exactly what to do and when. The link is in the description below for the course. All right, let's get started. It's also for the Discord. All right, so I am on the Bitcoin chart, and it's basically boiled down to these two counts. We are either going to get very lucky here, and the yellow ABC is going to pan out where this is an A wave. We bounced for B, and now we're coming down in 5 waves for a C wave that could be coming to an end here. The red line is the weekly 200. The blue line is the weekly 300. You can see that we're getting very close to the 300. We have never broken it in history. Can it break it? Absolutely. There is a first time for everything. If we come down to the 1.618 at 15,300 and we don't pivot in a 5-wave move and come out of here, and we shuffle in just a 3-wave move, we are going to come down for another wave, and at that point we will not know whether we have made a deep A, B, C in white, and this is the end of something in 5 waves, or this is the start of something of 5 waves. We definitely want it to be the end of something, because what starts with 5 ends with 5, and that would be a very ugly bear market. But we have a very good chance that we're going to end this C off here and pivot out in 5 waves. Nothing else will work. The first area we want to take out is this 4th wave territory. We need to get above it. Pull back into it, find it as support, and blast off. So basically, it will look like a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? But the 4th wave territory is what we want to take out. All right, let's go down to a lower time frame here. And let's talk about this leg right here. I'm going to get in as close as I can. Okay, this area right up in here, I see this as a WXY up there. The actual move started from right here. We have a 1 and a 2 in white, 3, 4, and I think that this is making an ending diagonal. The reason that I feel that way is because this is all 3s down here. We have a zigzag, we have a zigzag, Then we have a zigzag. I cannot make 5 waves out of this. It is missing a 5th wave. And so far, we have a zigzag. Now, we could go higher with this wave, and it would just become an expanding diagonal. So I am thinking there's a good chance that this could be done, or maybe one more hit to the high, and then we come down in a zigzag, and this is ending a 5th wave. Okay, right on the 300 EMA. Now, the question is, let me take this out of here, is when we get down here, are we going to come out of here in a 5-wave move? That is what we need. Okay. What we don't want to see is a 3-wave move that correctively takes us up into this territory. We don't want to see this kind of move, because what it will mean is, just like I said in the beginning, that we've made this 3 and that we're bouncing for 4 and we're going to come down for another 5. At that point, we'll have to see. We will have to see what happens. Okay, this is my best bias. Okay, let's see if we can hold for this C wave. We have no divergence, no reversal divergence. On the higher time frames, we do have divergence between this pivot and the pivot where we are now. Okay, like I said in my last video, we would have to take out this price range to wipe out the weekly, the 2-week, and the monthly divergence. We are the lowest we have ever been on the monthly time frame. But it does not mean that it cannot come deeper. It definitely can. It can come way down to 30 if it wants to. All right. All right, well, that's just about it. I mean, it's that simple. Let's see if we can get another move to the downside, and let's see if we can take that out, come out of here in 5 waves. All right, SPX. Exact same thing, okay? 2 ways of looking at it. One, that this was a potential 3-wave move for an A, pull back for B, and now we're coming down in 5 waves for a C wave. It could have one more rollover where we hold the 1.618 for a C wave. If we get down there and we bounce in 3 waves and back test this channel, or we don't even make it past this order block, then we're coming down again to around 32.62. Then we will have to ask ourselves, is this a 5-wave move or is it a deep C? And we won't be able to tell. That is the honest truth. We will not be able to tell until we see, what do we get? Do we get 5 waves out of here? Or do we make a corrective move? Okay, because we do not want a wave 2. All right, let's go down a little lower here and take a look at this leg. Right now, I see a 1 and a 2. A lot of gaps in here. 3, 4, and it could be ending the 5, where this is very hard in here because there's a big gap, but this looks like potentially a 4th wave here. Okay. But I think that it is close to potentially giving us a pivot at this 1.618. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video, short and sweet. Think about joining the Discord. Think about the course, and I will see you in the next one.